And now weather with meteorologist Beth Finello, certified by Weather8 for the most accurate forecast in the Ozarks.
Good morning and thanks for joining us. Elisa has the morning off. We're starting off this morning with clear skies, dry conditions, and it's warm. 65 degrees in Springfield on a south and east wind at about 8 miles per hour. Dew points sitting in the lower 60s, so still a very comfortable dry air mass in place. And we get another dry day today. We have had 7 days where we have not had any measurable rainfall. We really switched from the very wet May that we had to what is a very dry June. Unfortunately, that's not going to stick around for very long. We're looking at 61 degrees right now in West Plains, 61 in Mountain Home, 65 in Rolla, a very warm 71 out in Joplin. Dew points are in the upper 50s and lower 60s, still a dry air mass in place. But what's going to happen is we're going to have more muggy air move in. So while we're in the bottom 2 tiers today, tomorrow I expect us in the top 2 tiers of the muggy meter. We're starting off clear this morning, and we'll stay clear throughout much of the day today. We have an area of low pressure that's off to our east. That's not going to impact us much. Not going to impact us really at all. We'll stay clear again today. We'll have those muggy conditions start to filter in through this afternoon, but especially through the overnight hours. Tomorrow we'll be looking at much more humid conditions as the front starts to push into the area. We'll stay dry today, maybe an isolated shower or two. It will be warmer. Temperatures will top off in the upper 80s. Then that front starts to sag into the Ozarks tonight into tomorrow. What that's going to do is bring a round of showers and storms. I think especially closer to Highway 54 and mainly north and west of I-44 tomorrow. I'm not going to rule out showers through the rest of the Ozarks, but it looks more likely tomorrow than it does today, especially north and west of the interstate. So here's what we're looking at today. Plenty of sunshine, maybe an isolated storm by this afternoon. Temperatures will top off in the upper 80s, and that's what FUTURECAST will show you. Then overnight tonight, I expect increase in clouds. I expect us to be dry. We'll start off tomorrow with temperatures warmer in the upper 60s and lower 70s. Then through the afternoon, I expect scattered showers and storms, especially north and west of the interstate. Here's what our pattern's going to do. We'll have that front come in overnight tonight and through the day tomorrow. And then it's really going to get stuck over the Ozarks. And what that's going to do is give us a daily rain chance starting tomorrow, and that will continue into much of this weekend. We also might have a few strong to severe storms, especially closer to central Missouri for the day on Saturday. That front sticks around for much of next week, and that's going to act as a highway for rounds of showers and storms starting on Sunday and continuing into much of next week. It will be warm and it will be humid almost every single day. Look what it does. Over the next 7 days, we'll have those rain chances, and that will continue into much of next week and into the end of next week as well. Our temperatures will be in the upper 80s, close to 90 by the end of this week and into the weekend. Then next week we'll have temperatures drop just a little bit into the middle 80s. So here's what you can expect. One more quiet day today, maybe an isolated storm this afternoon, but mostly dry. That front will push in tonight into tomorrow, and it will stall. That keeps us active. We'll have daily rain chances into this weekend and into much of next week with rounds of showers and storms expected. But I don't expect any of those days to be washout days. You're just going to want to keep an eye to the sky. 87 degrees today with an isolated shower or storm, but mostly sunny. 67 overnight tonight with increasing clouds. Will still stay dry tonight. Then tomorrow is when I expect a couple of showers and storms. Temperatures close to 90, and that's what we'll do for much of this weekend. We'll have a few showers and storms tomorrow, a chance of showers and storms on Saturday, which is also the first day of summer. Temperatures in the upper 80s. Then for Father's Day, just keep the umbrella handy for Dad. Temperatures in the 80s. We'll stay in the 80s next week with a daily chance of showers and storms, but we're not looking at any washout days.